are going to love the 2018 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: intermittent wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, cruise control, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.